How are you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And the other day, in one of the users groups that I joined, there was a post about this new website that provided listings of airband frequencies in the southeastern part of the United States. And I went there and I checked it out, and I was amazed at the listings. And here it is. It's crairscan.com/home.html right there. And it's got a lot of ways you can look at these frequency listings. You can pick a state. Again, this is only southeastern right now. I think he plans on expanding it to other states, but he lives in the southeast, so that's why he started there. And so you can select a state, or you can select a type: airport, towers, commercial, general, or military. You can contact him. So let's pick Florida, where I live. And I can select airport, location, or frequency. I'm going to select frequency. And now here is the listing of airband frequencies used in Florida, throughout Florida. And this one is listed by frequency. So if you hear something on your airband radio, you got the frequency, you can come and look it up. Or also, you can do it by location. I haven't tried all these options. There's plenty of locations. So there's Ocala, and let's go down to, I'm in Pinellas. There should be a lot in Pinellas. There's a lot, period. Jacksonville. Wow. All the counties in Florida. Did I pass it? No, I haven't passed it. Pensacola, we're getting real close. Plant City. Oh, I'm not. Yeah. Okay, I thought this was. Maybe it's by city. Let's go to St. Petersburg. Yeah, here it is. St. Petersburg. So here's the St. Petersburg Clearwater Airport, which is near me. Here's the various frequencies for different things. Let me see, did it have Clearwater? I live in Clearwater. There won't be many listings, if at all, in Clearwater. Should be one or two. Clearwater, yeah. Here's the Clearwater Air Park, which is about maybe a mile from me or less. It's just a small little air park. It doesn't have a tower, but it does put out these messages. These are transmitted information messages about the conditions and the weather, for instance. So now let's go back. And so that was frequency, location, airport. And there's various airports. Boy, let's see. I don't know if I can even get down to Tampa. It's going to be way down there. Tampa. Orlando. St. Petersburg again. Tampa. Right there. There's Tampa Executive Airport, which is a little airport, and Tampa International, which is a big airport. They got a lot of frequencies. And I can say there's lots of ways you can look at this data. Plus, we go back up here, you can download these lists. So I could pick the Florida one, and I could either download it in the form of Excel or a PDF. And we just try PDF. And there it is. And now it's listed alphabetically by airport name. So we got Clearwater Air Park right there. And like I say, if you download the Excel version, and you got Excel, then you can go and search for things. You can make a short list instead of this real long list. Like some of these places like over in Orlando, I wouldn't be able to, most likely not be able to hear it. This is really cool. I really appreciate the gentleman that created this. We go back to home. Again, it's Southeastern AirScan, and I think he's going to expand it to other states besides the ones in the Southwest. Check it out. I think you'll like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.